the one tool. You can change your IP every 10 seconds. Okay, in your Kali Linux. So I'll show the installation process here. So this video is only for education purpose. So be safe. And first, we make your terminal in the root. You have to be in the root directory. So after that, you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. Okay. Afterwards, press enter. You install the update and upgrade files. Okay. After that, go to Google. Go to Google and search the AutoTor IP changer GitHub. Okay. Click the first one. Okay. Click the first one. After clicking the first one, copy the code from here. Copy the code and go back to your terminal and type get clown and copy the paste it here. Okay, so press enter. It will install now the tools. See guys, it is installed successfully, and make ls for the list. Okay, we can see here the tool. Copy this one, copy it here, copy it, and make cd chain directory, cd for the chain directory. Copy and paste that. Okay. Press enter and clear the terminal, and now make ls. Okay, so you can see this file install.sh. Okay, because .py. Okay, sorry, install.py. Okay, so this script will run in the Python language guys. So you have to install the Python language. So installing the Python language, you have to type apt install Python. Python 3. Okay, we have to install the Python 3. After installing the Python 3, okay, you have to make chmod. Okay, chmod. Okay, plus x. Okay, copy this one, copy this one and paste it here, and now you will provide the executive permission. Okay, you can see them, you can see there. Okay, and here it is a three dots. Click the three dots. Okay, go to setting, and now go to network settings. Okay, go down inside, and there is a network settings. Go to network settings. Okay, and we have to use the manual proxy 7 dot, okay, 0 dot 0 dot 1. Okay guys, after that the port is 9050. Okay, sorry, 9050. Okay, and press OK and come back to the terminal and press enter here and press Y. Yes, the socks host. See, you have to put this IP till here, and the port is 9050. Okay, and it's asking for the time to change the IP. I will use the 10. Okay, after the 10 seconds I have to change my IP. Okay, after that, how many times do you want to change your IP? 0. Okay, that's 0. There in the first, go here and go to Chrome Go to Chrome and search here DNS leak. Okay, DNS leak test. Okay, when you go there, you can see there. Okay, now I'm not in the USA now. Showing for me the make again the refresh. See, now in the it's showing the location of Germany. So this tool is only for education purpose, guys. So see guys, it's changing. After the 10 seconds, it will change our IP. You can see here. So this video is only for education purpose, guys. So be safe. Thanks for watching.